So good morning guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. I might sound different because I'm not, well we're vlogging today, okay? But I'm not going to be taking my Takstar S6508 mic, I'm going to just be going off the mic in a Panasonic Lumix G7 because I'm going to Longleat. I'm going to Longleat family. It's like a safari park type thing. It's a mix of a zoo and a safari. Well, very much the same thing. But anyway, I'm really excited to go. It's 7 o'clock, I've just got up, I've had a shower. And I may or may not have a little bit of a hangover from yesterday, but I'm okay. Let's go enjoy the safari. I'm going to take you guys to vlog. The reason I've got my mic is I want to be lightweight. I'm taking 2 lenses, fitting me f1.7, take some cool pictures, and some cool video of the animals there. And then there's fireworks tonight and like this festival of lights, I think, which I'm bringing the f1.7 for, which is pretty cool. So guys, let's get in the car and let's go explore Longleat. I'm not really sure what's there. It's my second time going, but the first time I went was when I was like 4, so that's no use to me right now. Monkeys licked our car. Yeah. So we're currently in the maze, just explored the house, there's no photography here. And I'm just exploring the maze with my parents. There's fireworks and a light switch on a bit, which I record. They're arguing about which way it is, but I'm frontally following it. We're out! Happy New Year guys, it's just turned 2017, well it's like 3 minutes past 12, but it just turned 2017. I want to say have a great, happy New Year, and I hope to be sharing a lot more times with you guys on my vlogging channel, and showing off cool tech products in 2017. So guys, hopefully you spent time with your family, or did something cool, or like went out, or I don't know what other people do, but I just went out, and I have a carbon fibre wrap stuck to my foot from U-Carbon. But anyway guys, welcome to 2017 with me, and welcome to 2017 to you guys. It's going to be a great year for all of us, and hopefully a great year for a lot of people in this world. Hope it won't be as tragic as 2016 was, but guys, have a great start to 2017, and welcome a new year in.